The 2024 Guide to Earning Money Online Without Skill. Earning money online without specific skills can be challenging, but with the right approach and dedication, you can explore various opportunities. Here's a guide tailored for 2024 online RSVs and reviews. Sign up for reputable survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindal Research. Share your opinions and earn small amounts of money or gift cards. Microtasks on crowdsourcing Glassdoor. Join platforms such as Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, or Microworkers to complete simple tasks like data entry, image tagging, or online research. Freelance gigs for basic services. Offer services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Start with simple tasks such as social media management, basic graphic design, or writing. Affiliate marketing. Explore affiliate marketing programs on Amazon, ClickBank, or other affiliate networks. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Sell photos online. Utilize your smartphone or camera to take quality photos and sell them on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Alamy. Rent out your assets. Use platforms like Fat Llama to rent out items you own, such as camera equipment, tools, or electronics. Participate in online contests. Look for online contests and competitions on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or specialized contest websites. Participate in challenges that align with your interests. Rent your space. If you have extra space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. This could be a spare room, a guest house, or even parking space. Basic online tutoring. Offer tutoring services for elementary or high school subjects on platforms like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com. Remote customer service. Apply for entry-level remote customer service positions on websites like Remote.co, Indeed, or customer service outsourcing platforms. Virtual assistants. Provide virtual assistance services, including email management, appointment scheduling, or data entry on freelancing platforms. Content mills for writing. Write articles for content mills like Textbroker or HireWriters, focusing on topics that require basic research and writing skills. Participate in online market research. Sign up for online market research studies on platforms like Respondent or user interviews. Share your opinions and insights on various topics. Cashback and rewards programs. Use cashback and rewards programs like Rakuten, Honey, or Dosh to earn money or receive discounts on your online purchases. Remember to approach these opportunities with a realistic mindset, as they may not generate substantial income immediately. Stay consistent, explore different avenues, and consider acquiring new skills over time to enhance your earning potential. Additionally, be cautious of potential scams and prioritize platforms with positive reviews and a reliable reputation.